Hello everyone, Coach Carole with you today on January 20, and this is livecast number 20. And today I'm talking about some of the best investments I've made for my genealogy journey. And one of those was to enroll in the Diploma of Family History. Now, I studied this diploma at the University of Tasmania, but there are other places that you could also study family history. This was just mine. I'm going to share my screen with you and add the slide for today to explore a couple of other things about the investments that I've made that I think have been the best for me. So enrolling in the Family History Diploma was one of those, and I graduated in 2019. And from there, I have joined in with the alumni who have their own Facebook group, and we have our own writing group, and we keep connected via that social media. And it keeps us on the ball with our family history research and writing our stories. I'll add the link to where you can find the Family History Diploma at the University of Tasmania below this livecast. Now, as usual, I've got a few different little tips all in the one today that will help you to know your ancestors and begin to know yourself a little better. The second tip is how I subscribe to Find My Past. For me, that was the best option to build my family tree and connect with others. I have many ancestors in both England and Wales, and Find My Past allows me access to those old archive records for them. And I've been able to build my trees. I have several built there in Find My Past, and I have a full subscription there, which enables me to go anywhere on the site and find any records. The third tip is to join a writing academy. This is another really good investment that I did for myself this year. I've joined the writing academy from Jessica. I've just forgotten her last name. I will pick that up and put it in the link at the bottom. And these writing academies are not necessarily just genealogy, but they give you really good tips, tutorials, and ideas for writing stories of any genre. So I joined that academy, which is linked to my subscription to Dabble Writer, where I do all my writing. And I did that in order to learn the art of storytelling and polish those skills. And by doing that, I've been able to write stories about my ancestors that enable me to know myself a little better. I know where I've come from, what ancestors have done in the past, and how certain things have been repeated down through the generations. So these are just 3 tips for you today about the best investments that you might make for yourself. 1, to learn more and to study genealogy. Another is to enroll or subscribe to an online tree. Find My Past is just one of those that you can. And join a writing academy. So if you want to know a little bit more about these, then do all of those 3 things, and I'll put the links in underneath. Just remove the slide for a moment, and I'll just take you briefly over to the site where you can see the Diploma of Family History. Once again, choosing the right screen and going to the Diploma of Family History. at the University of Tasmania. This gives you an overview on this page, and it's coming from the Hobart campus, but it's all online. And enrolments are happening now because they start later in February for any of those modules. As I scroll down, you'll see that some of the learning outcomes might suit you very well. Several of those listed there. It even tells you what your career outcomes might be from enrolling in this particular diploma course, and then gives you the course structure, which shows that you need to do 8 units. 4 are called foundation level units, and another 4 are called introductory level units. And you have a choice there. So go and have a look at the Diploma of Family History at the University of Tasmania. That's it from me. I'll stop sharing my screen, come back to you. And just remind you that you can find all of these tips in my YouTube channel. Let me just put that one on show for you here. So if you just want to do it the easy way, it's coachcaroleonline.com/YouTube channel, and that will take you directly to my latest playlist, which has all of these live casts in it for you. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed these tips on the Essential Genealogist live cast show. Come back again. I will be here with more later.